Hello everyone, my name is Ritik Patel from Group 15. So our topic is design and develop instrument cluster for two-wheeler. So talking about the GPS module, so we use the Neo 6M GPS module. It is a well-performing complete GPS receiver with a built-in ceramic antenna, which provides the strong satellite search capability. And one more work with that. The Neo 6M GPS module has 4 pins: ground and TXD, RXD and VCC. So the TXD and RXD pin are used to communicate with the microcontroller, and the ground pin for the GPS module, and it should be connected with the ground pin of the node MCU. So the next component which is used in our protocol is known as the accelerometer sensor. Here is this accelerometer sensor, and basically accelerometer sensor are the ICs that measure the acceleration, which is change in speed per unit time, and it will the measuring acceleration make it possible to obtain information such as the object inclination and vibration. So here is the one question occurs: so why we use a accelerometer sensor instead of gyroscope sensor? So accelerometer sensor measure the linear acceleration and along one or several axes, and gyroscope sensor measure the angular velocity. So the next component we use in our protocol, which is the vibration sensor. So this blue color component is known as the vibration sensor. So the vibration sensor it is a device that measure the amount of frequency vibration in a given system or the equipment, and the vibration sensor is also known as the vibration detector, and it measures the vibration level in machinery for the screening and analysis. And vibration sensor is basically used for the capture the vibration, and vibration sensor are piezoelectric accelerometer that sense vibration. They are used for measuring fluctuation, acceleration or speeds for normal vibration. So here we use the node MCU in our protocol. So these are the some advantages of node MCU over the Arduino. So the node MCU comes with an 80 MHz of clock speed and 4 MB of flash memory. So it has the built-in TCP/IP stack, means it will be the IoT ready, and the node MCU contain the Wi-Fi connection, and we can connect it through the internet, and it will send the data through to the our cloud, so we can manage the data through it. And these are the some advantage of node MCU over the Arduino.